We've been asking the city of Austin for weeks what we thought was a simple question. How many citations and warnings have been issued to people violating COVID-19 orders? We still do not have the full picture, but here's what KXAN investigator Erin Cargile has been able to uncover.
When a 311 call comes in about someone not wearing a mask, too many people in one spot, or a business open that shouldn't be, who responds depends on the day, the time, the type of call, and who's available. It could be Austin Police, Fire, a code officer, or Development Services, which handles spots like construction sites. We filed an open records request to get a list of all COVID-related citations and warnings issued since March by police, fire, and code. The city sent copies of 6 written warnings, all from AFD.
There's definitely more than 6.
While he doesn't know the total number, Austin Fire Marshal Tom Vokey checked his computer and found 2 citations his team wrote just last Saturday while checking the busy downtown bar scene.
I know they wrote two bars, 1 notice of violation on 6th Street for a club, and then a whole list of verbal warnings.
Also not included in the records from the city, the 2 citations AFD wrote this UT Austin fraternity earlier this month when they shut down their game day party. What's also confusing, when you go to the code department's public dashboard and look up the calls to 311 about that party, the outcome says no violation found. Austin Code says the dashboard only includes calls handled by Austin Code.
In our 311 report, it shows, what we did. So again, it's that kind of, these are not systems that existed prior to COVID for these specific things.
The 6 COVID-19 related warnings the city sent from AFD include the Austin Roller Rink and 5 bars, Jack and Ginger's, Javelina, The Blind Pig, Unbarleavable, and Buck Wild. The violations found included no masks, lack of physical distancing, and more than 10 people gathered too close together. Jack and Ginger's said a firefighter saw a server pull her mask down to talk to a customer. The owner saw it too and agreed it was a bad move and told his entire staff if it happens again, that employee will be fired. Javelina's owner said their warning came when a guest moved a table a few inches over. He says it was addressed and corrected, and they're working hard to follow the rules and ensure a safe environment. Vokey says the main goal has always been to educate people through warnings, and they're doing their best to get to as many calls as possible as more people venture out.
More people being out is not necessarily a terrible thing if everybody's following the rules and being responsible.
Erin Cargile, KXAN, investigates.
And late this afternoon, the city got back to us and gave us new COVID-related citation totals, but no locations. It said code officers have written to and APD has issued to. We're still waiting on the total number for the Austin Fire Department, and we'll be checking in with the Development Services Department as well.